guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly, and so today in this video I'm going to show you how I edit in Inshot. So the editor that I use is Inshot. It's this little circle here, Inshot. This is where I edit all my videos, and I wanted to show you guys how I edit Inshot. Super easy. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so you're gonna have to go to the Play Store and type Inshot and download Inshot here. Just download it, and once you download it, it's gonna appear like this. So to get premium, it's I have the premium, so it has a lot of good stuff. But if you guys are not premium, you guys can try it out and see if you guys like it, and they get the premium if you guys want to. So right here, these are the materials. These are little things that you can put on your videos. There's a lot. There's popular, there's love, there's effect, there's stuff vlogging. I have stuff here. These are for the photos, collages, and videos. So I'm gonna show you how I do the video. So to get started, you're gonna push here in the video, and you're gonna do new. In the material, you guys could choose the outro or the intro. If you guys don't have an intro, you guys can get it from here, however you guys want to. I do have an intro, so I'm gonna go to my intro, and I'm gonna press the intro. You guys can press it a few minutes, and the video show up. So I'm gonna press the intro, and I'm gonna press this green button. It's gonna take you to this place. So now this is my intro. You're gonna click the plus sign, the red one, like video, and you're gonna choose a video here, press the green button, and then here is the whole video that I'm gonna show you guys. So after you have your intro, you're gonna click this little white button, and this is a transition. You can do fun transitions here. So I'm gonna try this one, like 5 seconds, and then let's see how it works. Hi. So that's how it works. So now that I'm doing my intros and saying hello to beautiful people, my subscribers, and then after I say this, let's get started, shall we? I put it on pause, and I go to split, and then I'm going to play it again until I feel ready. Okay, so let's go back. So right here, I'm going to stop. I'm going to click split again, and I'm going to go press this and delete. So let's give it a try. Get started, shall we? Okay. Just like that. So if you like a tradition, get started, shall we? Okay. So get started, shall we? Okay. So this is how you make a tradition. So let's give it a try. Started, shall we? Okay. Okay, so that is the traditions that this has, and it has a lot of fun stuff that you can put. So right here, you just do the videos, and then you cut the parts that you don't like or to take forever. So I'm over here showing you what I have in my backpack and stuff like that. So you guys can cut little stuff out. And to zoom it in, so I have this lipstick here. You just put it on. So you're going to split and do the video here, and then split. And you're going to click this part here, and you're going to zoom it in with your fingers. So you're going to use your 2 fingers, and you're going to zoom it in like that. Just like that. And let's do the preview. So you just put it on like this. and it shows the color, which is very, very. So that's how you zoom it in. So you just press the volume, the picture, the video, and you zoom it in. You always have to split, because if you don't do that, then the whole video is going to be like zoomed in. So you always have to split. So after that, I do that, and then I showing you guys what I have here, and then I'm going to put everything back. So I don't want to show you guys. I like it. I don't want to show you guys me putting my stuff away. I put everything back and I'll be right back. So I stop there. I click split, and then I follow with my hand just like this. So I don't want to bore you guys with my stuff. So I'm going to do that. I have a lot of stuff, you guys. So, okay, after I'm done, I'm going to pause it, split again, and then click this and delete. Oops. Oh, my bad. Delete. Just like that. So let's give it a try. I'll be right back. Oh. Bam. There you go. Just like that. Now, after I'm showing you everything that I do with my beautiful backpack. Love it. I really hope you guys. So now that I'm giving you guys a thumbs up, and you guys want a big thumbs up in the background, you guys can press the sticker and press the sticker sign. And these are the whole stickers we have. You guys download stickers if you guys want. But this is all the stickers that I have here. These are all the stickers. And to do the thumb, you press GIF. And it takes you something like that. And you press sticker. And then you type here thumbs up. And you press the thumbs up. Push that down. And you move this as if you want to make it big. You want to make it small. Just like that. And over here, you're going to shrink how you want it. If you wanted the whole video, you can. So let's give it a try. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And this is how you do the little thumb. Now, to do the subscribe button, you're going to click the sticker again. And then you're going to type subscribe. And this is how the subscribe is. So you can choose whatever subscription you want. I like to use this one. So you press that one. And then you put this one up here. That. And you can do it in the whole video, or you can shrink it however you want. If you wanted to post in your older videos, the whole video, you can. So let's give it a try. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos. That's a subscribe, or if you want the whole thing, you can just do that. And you can add sand to it if you guys want to. So let's see how this looks. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And so there you go. That's a subscribe button. Now to add the little click sign, like the little mouse sign, you're gonna press this check right here, this plus sign. You're gonna go into music, effects. And then these are all the effects. You can do the transition sounds, the bells, the social. So we're going to click social. And here are all the sounds. You can do the little sound. That one or that one. I like this one. So I'm going to do use. And now I'm going to do the video where I click. So it's probably here. And if you want that, you're going to hold this and you're going to move it here. So this is how it sounds. I have a Facebook where. So I hope you guys heard that. So I also have a Facebook. There you go. Where. So that is the sound here. So you're going to press OK. And then, like after I say goodbye to you guys. Wow. Bye. I'm going to stop. I'm going to split, and then I'm going to delete. And this is where I add my outro. So I'm going to click here, do a video. I'm going to go to material, and then I'm going to choose an outro that I like. So let's do this one. So we're going to press this one, and press the transition like that. And then let's see how this looks. So there you go. So that's the beautiful transition. Also, you can add music. You can do sorts of stuff here. You can add a text if you want to. Press your text and just type welcome. You can choose a color to it if you want it black. You can choose how does it look like let's do that one, or let's just do finger paint. And then you can do it bigger, smaller. You can do how you want it to pop up, how do you want it to come out, just so you can move it and be like welcome. You can make it big, and you always press this little sign, and then you move it if you want to put like subscribe to the whole video. Just press this button and just make it how long you want it, or if you want it short, you just play with it. If you're new at this and you don't know how to edit, this is a really good editor. I like this one. This is how I edit all my videos. And you can add captions also to the video. So you just press this caption, and then you do English or however you guys want to, what kind of language you speak. This is the language is here. And if I want to do it in Spanish, I can press it, and I can just start in it by themselves. This little circle, this black circle here, that is going to translate to the whole videos. You guys can do little doodles like this, however you want to. Press it like that. There's a lot of fun stuff that you can actually do in this Inshot. You can choose the background of a video, like prefer if you like this one, you guys can do that. You can pinch it in, make it smaller, just however you like to do. You just have to practice. So now the audio is done. So this is how the audio looks like. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In Spanish, of course. The speed. So you're going to click the video. You always have to click the split. And where you want fast talking, like I want it through here, or maybe all of these or through here, you click split, you click that, and then where it is, the speed, you click the speed, and this is how the speed is all the way to 100. If you want it really fast, you can do 760, and it's like really fast. So this is how it looks. Girl Kimberly in my so that is how you do editing on InShot. It's just through phone. If you have a tablet, it would work in tablet as well, or phone. Fast editing. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys my fast editing that I do. After you're finished and you're happy with your editing, you're gonna click here save, and this is where the save solutions will start on. You guys can do this resolution 720 or 1080 or 2K, 4K, and that's it. So I like to do mine 1080. Frame, you can do 60, 30, 50, 25. I only do 30. Format, you can do MP4 or GIF, however you guys want to. And this is the estimate size, how long it's going to take. So you just click save and it would save it. And yeah, that is exactly how I edit. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys how I edit InShot. It's really awesome. I love it. It has super new things and they can just keep adding more awesome things and I love it. I think it's great. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial on how to edit in InShot. It's super easy. If you don't know how to edit, just give it a try. Just practice makes perfect. Just give it a try. Start editing, play around with your video, and you're gonna get the hang of it. This was me when I started. I didn't know how to use it. I was getting frustrated. I was getting mad, but then I had to like take a deep breath and I was playing around with the videos and I liked it. So yeah. So you guys are new, don't know what editor you should use. InShot is super easy to do, and it's super fun because they always add fun stuff. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos and push that notification bell. And I'll link my other social medias above and the description box. And I really hope you guys have a fantastic day. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.